I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a plotter to a computer. First, identify the connection ports on both your plotter and computer. Most modern plotters offer USB or Ethernet, while older models might use serial ports. Having the right cable is crucial for a successful setup. For instance, a USB-A to USB-B cable is common for direct connections, or an Ethernet cable for network integration. Let's get started with the physical connection. There are typically three main ways to physically connect your plotter. For a direct link, a USB cable is often the simplest, offering a quick plug-and-play setup. If you need to share the plotter across multiple computers, an Ethernet connection is ideal, allowing network access. For some legacy plotters, a serial port connection might be necessary, requiring a specialized 9-pin or 25-pin D-sub cable. Choose the method that best suits your setup. Once physically connected, the next step is installing the necessary drivers. Always download the most current drivers directly from your plotter manufacturer's official website. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Some manufacturers recommend installing drivers before connecting the device, while others suggest connecting first. Carefully follow the specific instructions provided with your plotter to ensure a smooth and successful driver installation. After driver installation, it's time to configure and test your plotter. Navigate to your computer's printer and scanner settings to add the new device. Select your specific plotter model and the correct connection port, whether it's USB, Ethernet, or serial. Finally, perform a small test plot, perhaps a simple line drawing or a calibration pattern, to confirm that everything is working correctly. This ensures your plotter is ready for all your large format printing needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.